Continue on now with our Loma Prieta earthquake anniversary coverage. Of course, it's been 20 years since the massive quake, and nowhere perhaps was the shaking as strong as it was in Santa Cruz, less than 10 miles from the epicenter of the quake. KRON 4's Rob Flatibo now takes a look back at the loss of life and property and the rebirth of downtown Santa Cruz.
It was on just such a sunny fall day as this, as people went about their business here on the Pacific Garden Mall, that Santa Cruz was rocked by the biggest earthquake in 100 years. The shaking here at UC Santa Cruz and across the region lasted an agonizing 15 seconds, and when it stopped, Pacific Avenue was reduced to rubble. Whole buildings collapsed, others suffered huge cracks. Trees fell on cars and many roads were impassable. The National Guard watched for looting as search teams dodged falling bricks and broken glass. 6 people were killed countywide, 3 of them here at the Santa Cruz Coffee Roasting Company. Neil Coonerty's bookshop was next door.
We didn't know that right away. There was a rescue effort because there was a pile of bricks. It got very emotional. Of course, there was thousands of aftershocks after the main earthquake, and the rescuers had to be careful as they dug through the rubble trying to find people.
When the dust settled, some 31 buildings had to be demolished here in Santa Cruz, most of them here along Pacific Avenue. 8 of them had been designated as historical landmarks. Ironically, the 5 oldest had withstood the San Francisco earthquake of 1906. This is Pacific Avenue today. All of the brick and unreinforced masonry buildings are gone. All have been replaced or retrofitted to earthquake standards. The only reminders of the quake are this vacant lot where the coffee roasting company was, and this memorial to those who died.
There was a silver lining. We got to rebuild downtown and make it better, but it was still a tragic day for us.
Looking back, we remember this visit from the president. The town clock stopped at 5:04, and images like this of a shocked community that pulled together when the chips were down. In Santa Cruz, Rob Flatibo, KRON 4 News.
I want to take a look now at some of the events going on in the Bay Area for the 20th anniversary of the Loma Prieta earthquake. Today from 11 to 4, there's going to be a neighborhood fair at 4 sites throughout San Francisco, all of them with a preparedness theme, with activities, giveaways, and also a Rumble preparedness map. There you can see where they're taking place at the Marina Green and the Mission District, also in the Sunset and Bayview districts as well. Again, all from 11 until 4.